Hi, I'm Bill with B&D Manufacturing. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, we're going to identify and discuss the key maintenance points for your B&D Evolution Jack. You can also find this information in your operations and service manuals. All filters and replacement parts are stocked by B&D Manufacturing. You can contact sales at bdmfg.com to order. Before starting any maintenance, ensure all hydraulic cylinders are fully retracted and the master disconnect is shut off. Most maintenance can be done by simply opening this access hood. However, if you need more space, you can remove the bolts for this access cover, or the entire hood can be removed by removing a couple more bolts. All right, let's begin with the hydraulic system. First up, the hydraulic fill and drain ports. These are located here for fill and here for drain. Your B&D Evolution Jack ships from the factory with Shell Tellus 32 hydraulic oil. Always make sure to use clean hydraulic oil when filling. Just beside that, we have the hydraulic tank with 106-liter capacity. We recommend to keep this approximately 2/3 full, as you can see here at the sight gauge. And over here we have the hydraulic pump. This is the heart of your hydraulic system, so keep it clean and inspect for any leaks or unusual sounds. Lastly, right over here, we have our breather filter for the hydraulic tank. Next, check the hydraulic pressure and return filters. These are essential to keep contaminants out of the hydraulic system and ensure smooth operation. We recommend changing them on an annual basis at a minimum. When you buy the filter from us, it will come with the O-rings and some instructions to replace the filter. Be sure not to discard the core. The air filter is right here. Check it regularly and clean or replace as needed. This will depend on your specific work environment. Just twist off the wing nut here to remove and install. Now moving on to the motor. First, here's the dipstick. Right here is your engine oil fill port. There are 2 fill ports and you can use either one. Top up with the correct oil type depending on the temperature your machine will be operating in. We will ship this with 15W40 oil. Here's your oil filter. Below that, you'll find the fuel filter. Again, we recommend replacing both of these annually at a minimum. We have set up a hose with 2 ball valves for easier oil changes. One valve is underneath, which we leave open, and at the end of this hose, you can see the second ball valve secured here with a twist tie. You can cut this off to direct the oil flow during the draining of your oil. Remove the ties, remove the plug nut, and drain. After drained, close it and install the plug nut. Be sure to zip tie the hose back up or else it will drag. And finally, the grease points. Regular greasing reduces wear on moving parts and helps extend the life of your jack. These are your standard grease points. Located on the outrigger lift cylinders, your drive wheels, rear casters, and you should put grease on your locking pins and platen wear plates for easier movement and less wear. These wear pads should be greased very often as they are used during every lift. Check your manual for each grease fitting location and use the recommended grease type. That covers the key maintenance points for your B&D Evolution Jack. Staying on top of these checks will reduce downtime, extend the life of your equipment, and keep your operation running safely and efficiently. If you have any questions or need to purchase replacement filters, spare parts, don't hesitate to contact us at B&D Manufacturing, sales@bdmfg.com, or my personal email, bill.cronley@bdmfg.com. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.